Hello, everybody. So this is Carrie, and we have a teacher assistant. Chloe, do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Okay, so Chloe, yesterday we have learned how to transfer the fraction to the decimal, right? So I want you to do the how to transfer. Have you ever wondered? Because you know what? I have give you a table, right? So like we have a table. So the table is fraction, decimal, and percentage. They're actually reversible, right? So we have already learned how to transfer fraction to decimal. Do you want to learn how to transfer fraction to percentage? Okay, so first of all, yesterday we start with something like 1 over 2, and it is equals 0.5, right? So now today we're going to do the same thing as 0.2, how to become something like percentage. And let me just explain something to you, okay, Chloe? You probably doesn't know that this weird sign is actually represent something 100 over. Get it? So something over 100 is this sign. So you wonder what is something. So this is the number which is going to be in front of the percentage sign. Okay, so since we know 1 over 2 equals something over 100, so the question became another fraction question is, Chloe, how does 2 change it to 100?
Times 50.
Very good. So because the denominator times 50, the numerator also times
50.
Very good. So 1 times 50 equals what?
50.
Very good. So we get the answer. So you have this 150. So the percentage is 50%. Get it? Okay, so we do another one. 1 over 4 we know equals 0.25. So let's see. 1 over 4 equals what over 100? And then we equals something percentage. So how does 4 become 100?
Times 25.
Times 25. Okay, very good. So 1 also times
25.
Very good. So equals what?
25.
Very good. Okay, so it's 25%, correct? Okay, good job. Okay, so now let's take a look at the next one. So this one, Chloe, I want you to do yourself. So 1 over 5 equals what over 100 and equals what percent?
Five times 20 and 20%.
Very good. It's 20 over 100 and 20%. Very good. Okay, next one. I'm going to give you 2 questions in a row. Okay, so Chloe and the student in front of the camera, sorry, computer, I want you to try to do it with Chloe. Okay, so let's do it. So 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. Okay, so we have 2 questions. So I want you to do this and directly tell me what is a percentage this represent. I'm going to hit the pause and want boys or girls, you can try it as well. Okay, so everybody, I hope you're finished doing. Chloe, are you finished? Okay, so Chloe, can you tell me 3 over 5 equals what percentage?
60%.
Very good. And how about 4 over 5?
80%.
Very good. Okay, so Chloe, we have learned how to transfer from fraction to decimal, how to transfer from fraction to percentage. And have you ever wondered which part we're still not learning?
Decimal to percentage.
Very good. Decimal to percentage, we're learning that, okay? So let's now do the decimal to percentage. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So I'm going to just do using the first example, 0.5 as a thing. And I'm going to using the second one, 0.25. And let's do the 0.75 or 0.125 as demos, okay? So first of all, let's take a look at this one. So percentage, first I'm going to put the sign here, right? Chloe, the sign is the most important thing. So we know we have a decimal here, and all we need to do is do 1 from left to right and 2. Okay, so Chloe, have you ever wondered why there's a missing number here? So if you see something is blank, you put a what there?
0.
Very good. So 50%. Get it? Okay, so let's take a look at the other one. The decimal is here. So 1, 2. So this time there's nothing weird happens. So 25%. Okay, next one. 1 from left to right, 2 from left to right. We have 75%. You have no problem, right? But let's take a look at the last one, 0.125. So decimal 1, decimal 2, moving 2. So now what is the number? 12.5%. Get it, Chloe? Okay, so that is the best thing, okay? So I think it's just a moving. It's like the little rabbit is jumping, right? Okay, so now let me just give you something to practice, okay? So 0.65, 0.258, 0.375, and 0.1 and 0.7. So there are 5 questions. I want to hit the pulse and let you try to do it, okay? Do that, okay? I think Chloe finished. So first of all, Chloe, can you do the thing with me? So moving 1, 2, right? So what is the name? What is the answer for the percentage?
65.
Percent, right? So remember, said 60%. Okay, sorry, 65%. That's very important. Okay, so 1, 2. So can you give me the answer? 20
20.
5 point.
5%.
Very good. 25.8%. Okay, next one.
37.5%.
Very good. Next one.
10%.
Very good. 10%. And this one?
70%.
Very good, Chloe. Good job, Chloe. I think you already understand how to transfer decimal to percentage and fraction to percentage and fraction to decimal, correct? So now I'm going to putting all of them together, Chloe. So let's see if you can manage this or not, okay? So for instance, how to do it? So fraction and decimal and percentage. So here, 1/2. So decimal is what? 0.5. And percentage is what? 50%. Get it, Chloe? Okay, so I want you to do just 2 questions, okay, to verify if you understand all of them or not. So just to give you 1/4 and 3/5. Just 1, 2. But you put 1/4 equals what decimal, what percentage, and 3/5 equals what decimal or what percentage. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm going to hit the pulse and you can just think with Chloe. So everybody, I'm going to start to record. And Chloe, can you tell me what is the decimal for 1/4 equals to?
0.25.
Very good. So based on the decimal 0.25, and what is the percentage? So you move 1, 2, right? So what is the answer?
20.
5%. Very good. And if, okay, what if, like when you're doing the homework and you forgot, you totally forgot from decimal to percentage is moving the decimal, you can always using the fraction to do the decimal as well. Sorry, percentage as well, correct? Because you know this is 1 over something over 100. So you just did times 25, and the top also times 25. So it's 25 over 100. It's 25%. Get it? And Chloe, let me just tell you, there's a secret is also, if you know the percentage, you can even change it back to decimal as well. For instance, I give you a very hard question, okay? So I'm not saying it's 1/4 because 1/4, everybody can know that, can do that. But the thing is, all of a sudden, you just forgot how to do it. Okay, you said, I don't know how to do 1 divided by 4. Chloe, okay, for instance. But you know how to do the percentage, right? It's times 25 and times 25, correct?
Mhm.
Okay, so this one is 25%. So how to transfer percentage back to decimal? You move the decimal back from right to left. 0.25. Get it, Chloe? Yeah, because you know every single one. So one transferred the other, and the other also could transfer back to that one. Okay, so 3/5 equals what?
0.6.
0.6. Okay, so what is a percentage?
60%.
Very good. Good job, Chloe. So I think we're doing more than great. Okay, so today, let me just summarize. So yesterday we have learned how to transfer from fraction to decimal, right? This part is a little bit hard, right? But you manage it. And today we learned how to transfer from decimal to what, Chloe?
To percentage.
Very good. And also we learned how to transfer fraction to
Decimal.
and fraction to percentage. Yes, very good. So, and also you know how to get it back to the like fraction back to the percentage and percentage back to the decimal. Okay, so all of them could be transferred. Okay, so it's almost like Chloe is the younger sister and Ray is a bigger sister. So you can transfer sometimes, right? Because sometimes you could be really mature as well. Correct, Chloe?
Mhm.
Okay, so that's it for today's class. I wish you enjoyed it, and we're going to see each other next time. Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay.